Let me introduce the Mercurial Superfly Heritage vGee Superfly the 6th. This video shows the new Nike Mercurial Superfly Heritage Soccer Cleats. In the most well-known colorway, silver, yellow and blue. Strongly inspired by the 1998 Nike Mercurial Vapor boots, the new Nike Mercurial Superfly Heritage Cleats feature an all-over print on the upper. A bold Nike swoosh is present on the outside of the football boots, while a smaller one can be seen on the inside rear. The heightened collar and the sole plate are black across all variants of the new Nike soccer boots. While there draws inspiration from a classic piece of footwear, the new Nike Mercurial Superfly Heritage Soccer Cleats bring all the tech features of contemporary Mercurials. They have a heightened dynamic fit collar for a sock-like fit, while the upper is made of responsive fly-knit material, featuring a radical design that utilizes less material between the foot and ball. The fly-knit upper delivers an unprecedented barefoot feel to amplify your touch, without compromising strength or durability. Fly-wire cables knitted directly into the one-piece upper up the eyelet into the outsole, providing additional strength and lockdown, creating strength similar to a suspension bridge. A special Nike skin application that adheres to the top of the fly-knit upper prevents water getting in without adding layers, while ACC technology provides the same grip on the ball in wet and dry conditions. On the back of the shoes, Mercurial logo exists.
And they drifted back from where they came, and they will not be missed. Look up and feel the shifting winds tossing us around again. Hold tight, you're ready to begin, and just levitate.
And you can see the specifics. Designed for lockdown comfort at full speed. The dynamic fit collar increases awareness of interaction with the ground and ball for a heightened sensation of the Nike Superfly, and as an extension of the foot lower to the ground. The full-length carbon fiber plate lowers the center of gravity for enhanced traction, and its flexible dual-layer construction improves power transmission to the ground. The Nike Mercurial Superfly traction system features redesigned and reconfigured blades, with added studs at the heel for increased stability, and at the toe for rotational toe-off traction on firm ground.
And we'll go away to a different place.